Hey everyone, I'm Adrian Bustamante from YouTube's Food Deconstructed, and today I'm going to show you what vodka does to clothing. Well, the quick answer is vodka does nothing to clothing. It doesn't stain it. It will make it smell like vodka a little bit because vodka smells like alcohol. That's it. It's a clear liquid, so it's not going to stain your clothing or do any damage to it. Now, just to make sure, I have one of my favorite shirts right here and a little homemade vodka right here as well. Now, how to make that is a whole nother video, so I'll worry about that later. But we're gonna take some vodka, and I don't wanna waste a lot of it, but I'll just waste enough of it. I'll even rub it in. Smells like vodka, nice and strong. But you can just throw it in the wash after that, it'll get the smell off and you'll be just fine. So, I'm Adrian Bustamante, and what does vodka do to clothing?